Okay guys, welcome one more time again. How you guys doing today? Oh wow, I'm so pumped to bring to you another. Then it's going to be very easy because I'm here to help you out. Okay, so goodness, giving you updates on how to be a very good graphic designer and how to use all these tools that we use in graphic design to create professional content and be a blessing to your world. Okay, now let's go over to this. Now this is a bird, right? A black bird emitting rays from the mouth. So let us create a similar enjoy a similar effect, and please do try to do yours and also perfect in it, because practice make what perfect. Okay, now clicking on, I'm going to use a rectangle for this. Click on rectangle, draw it out, any size or shape you like. Okay, then click on your shape tool. Remember your shape tool. Then I will control Q. Control Q, you can right click, you can say convert to curve, or you can control Q here. That is the shortcut. Okay, now I'll drag this tail here. Let's make the tail first here. Then click here twice, click here twice, click here twice, bring it inside, click here twice, bring it what inside. Then click here twice, bring it what outside, click here twice, bring it what outside. Okay, you can make some adjustments. It's not much, must be perfect, but try to get it closely, because that's to build your creativity even much better. So now clicking on this, okay, exactly. Now clicking here, now clicking on this point, I'll click it twice. Now click here, I'll click it twice to delete this, good. Now you have gotten a random shape you can work with. Let's go back to the next step. I'm going to zoom over this head area. Click here twice, okay. Now I'll click here twice again, and I'll click here twice. I'll bring this one in, and I'll bring this one in. Wow, this is so interesting. This is so interesting. If I just see the way I did it now, you are like 50% away of getting the shape. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll highlight this place and I'll bring it out a little bit. I like this shape, bring it out a little bit, left click and drag it out a little bit. Good. So what we're going to do now is clicking on this is the wing. Click on the wing. See this shape here, this button here. I'll click it. Name is convert to curve. I'll protrude this one outside. Okay, elongate this one a little bit, bring this one inside. Do you see that now? Do the same thing here. Click here, protrude this one what outside. Okay, I'll highlight this. Let me adjust the bed. You can make your adjustment as you keep on going until you get what you want. Okay, now once you've done this, oh, mind you are going to be building your skills. Yes, so clicking on this one now and bring this one out, then take this one what in, then bring this one. Yes, good. Okay, wow, we are almost there. We are done with the bed. This side, just make some adjustments, and yes. Okay, now once you've done this now, highlight this ones, bring it in the middle. Good. Click here. Yes, make your adjustments. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go back to the next step. If you look, the bed have some like zigzag lines, though it's like a blurry, but I'll show you how to do that. Zoom up to the tail. Click now. This time around, select your, come here to this family, choose your pen tool. This is your pen tool here. Click on it. Now zoom over to where you want to do it. From inside, you move like this. You create zigzag lines. Hey, mine may not be too perfect, but you have to follow your step by step. Take your time. Even before you get to a level of mastery, you discover that you have learned even more than what you are learning here now. Okay, so take your time. Cut it step by step. Okay, step by step. So please, I'm going to fast forward this video now to cover these few steps that we have done. I'm going to fast forward this video. Okay, so I see the fast forwarding now. I'm fast forwarding it to this, fast forwarding like this. Okay, yeah. So once you got to the end, click here now. Try to join to the beginning where you start. You click here. Good. Now once you've done this, good. This is nice. You have to Control D this time around. Control D, which is duplicate. Bring this one down here. Bring it to the wings. Then click on the zigzag line again, adjust this one down. Yes, from that point of view, then you can actually make it a little bit bigger to this edge. Okay, good, perfect. Now what you're going to duplicate this again, Control D, bring this on to this place. Now this time around we are going to mirror this zigzag line. You click here and you click here again. Good. You bring it here, also click here too. Let's see. Perfect. Then you put it at this wing too. You can adjust it anyhow you like to fit into that wing that you have introduced it to. Perfect. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight all the shapes together. Left click and drag over all the shapes together. Then remember our weld guy. Yes, it's our weld guy. WELD. Click on it. It's going to weld all the shapes together. Then you click on it and place your black. Good. My dear, is not much but 100%, but once you get a shape, just try to get the concept, you are good to go. Now look at this mouth of this bird. It is emitting rays, so let's create that ray effect. Click here on a rectangle, draw a rectangle out. Perfect. Nice one. Then click on your shape tool. Now clicking on this shape, Ctrl Q. Okay, zoom into the mouth, click here 2 times, pam, zoom out back with your scroll bar on your mouse. Then click here 2 times, click here 2 times, pam, click here 2 times, pam. Good. Now this is what you've got. We're going to paint it black. So clicking your pick to paint this one black. Perfect. Okay, now once you've done that, we're going to apply a tool I've not used before. They call it the transparent tool. Now clicking on this one, look for the transparent tool on your sidebar here. You see it here. This is your tool, transparent tool. Click on it. Now this is Corel X7, so your own may not be here, but try to look for where the transparent tool is. So clicking on this shape, you can drag from here to 100. The more you drag, the lighter it becomes. Do you see that? So I'll drag it back to 0. Now I don't want to drag this. I want to left click and drag over the shape. Do you see that now? Then I'm going to turn this handle around, turn it around. Okay, then come to the middle here, come to this middle and lift it up, just like that. Do you see that, my friend? Do you see that? Just like that. You have drawn this. Now you have made this effect perfect. Do you see that? Then click on this, click on it twice. Now please, can you notice this circle in the middle? If you rotate here, you see you're rotating about that axis. Now I want us to adjust this circle. Take it from your left, click from here, drag it to this point up here. Okay, now we're going to do something. Come to this angle that is turning. As you're dragging it like this, right click, continue, right click, click again. As you're left clicking, dragging, right click it without dropping your left click. It will give you multiple effect like this. Go back to the original point, click on it, do the same thing, do the same thing. So guys, this is how you create a replica of this wonderful bird, man. So learning all these tools will actually make you to understand your left and right in graphic design. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in our next episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, share with your friends, and spread the good news that they can be actually graphic designers and make the world turn around for them. Do have a nice time. Bye bye.